guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove like backgrounds from any object. Now you can actually do this without having to make the object a person, so you can remove backgrounds if the object is, for instance, a clock or this soccer ball or this pizza. So for instance, I only want just a pizza. So here, go to remove background and there's going to be auto removal. It used to be just like auto cutout and you can only remove just backgrounds from people, I guess, and it doesn't work for like other objects like food or like items, but now you can actually do it. So go to remove background and just like auto removal, and it's going to just delete your background and you don't need to use customize cutout anymore. And I'm pretty stoked about that. You can even add this to your object, I think, like that. That is pretty cool. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!